Cityside Fiber is rapidly expanding across Orange County, bringing residents and businesses a premier choice for internet, with faster speeds, local service, and great value. With Cityside Fiber's gig life experience, Orange County residents can now power their home internet and devices with first-class service and quality, carrying the connection from your living room to your home office, to the patio, or even the clubhouse. In today's digital economy, homebuyers desire fiber optic internet and a neighborhood with gig speed. Internet can see home prices increase by up to 17%. If you live in a community managed by a homeowners association with private streets, we'll need an access agreement with your HOA to install the Cityside Fiber network. Here's how it all works. We start by meeting with your HOA leadership and property management, discussing various aspects of the project, the benefits to homeowners, and any community needs. This is when we present the access agreement, review, and approval. We will then survey the neighborhood and confirm the best way to install fiber in the community with minimal disruption. Our engagement team will host a meet and greet event to answer questions from residents and take interested signups. Once the design plan is completed, we will meet again to review the project and timeline with the HOA board to confirm their approval to begin work. Prior to and during installation of the fiber network, we'll provide prior notice to residents and the opportunity to ask questions and sign up for service. We work safely and quickly in the community, being mindful to avoid existing utilities and restore the street to an acceptable standard after the network build is complete. We will then begin to provide our gig speed internet service to residents. Want to help bring Cityside to your community? Some steps you can take are 1. Pre-register for service to show interest. 2. You can spread the word to neighbors. And 3. Contact your HOA to let them know what Cityside can offer the community. We'd also be happy to attend the next HOA board meeting. Cityside Fiber is ready to connect you. Reach out now to bring high-speed fiber to your community.